Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sew the tulle top that we would have drafted from the video before this. So this is what you should have, and it's 2 pieces, one for the front and one for the back on both sides. I will stitch 1 inch on that side, 1 inch on the other side. I will use elastic for the top. I will make a pencil skirt to go with this. That is what I will do in this video. So if that is something that you are interested in, keep on watching. So this is the fabric that I have for the pencil skirt, and the fabric is stretchy, so I don't need to add any seam allowance. So I'm just going to put my skirt in 4 so I can cut out the front and the back at the same time. Both of these fabrics are stretchy fabrics. Okay, y'all, so we have all of our pieces. This is the pieces for the front and back of the skirt, and this is for the band. I'm going to use the same fabric for the band, and as you can see, it's kind of stretchy, so that is what I'm going to do. So now we're going to put it together as easy as 1, 2, 3. So now we will pin both our top and our skirt together. I'm going to use my new babies, some clips. Well, actually I had these a while. I just never used them. So let me just use my babies. Boy, I wish I had my serger. That's going to be my next investment. I'm going to buy a serger. These clips are huge. I have some small ones, but I just want to use them just to say I use them, because sometimes I have things and I don't use them. Don't mind me. Let me just use my clips. I'm sure you can't see through that. Okay, you can't. Because I don't need to be flashing anybody. I already blinded these people with this, would you say this neon or fluorescent pink? I don't need to be blinding them with material that is not thick enough. Get my drift? I think I've been around my students too long, because certain things that they say are rubbing off on me. Because this is stretchy fabric, we're going to use a zigzag stitch and a stretchy or ballpoint needle. Okay, remember the back stitch at the beginning and at the end. If you have made it to this point of the video, please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, so I was having a bunch of technical difficulties and I realized what it was. So when you are sewing, please make sure you have decent thread. I realized it was a thread, so I had a pink thread that was closer to the color of this, but for the life of me, it would not work. So I had to switch it to a white. Make sure that you stitch using the color closest to the fabric that you are using. This is where we are. Both sides are stitched, and this is the bottom. So what I'm going to do is hem the bottom. So we'll do 1 inch for seam allowance, and I will pin that all around. I'm going to get my elastic, and I'm going to measure across my chest area to figure out what length of elastic that I need. And I'm going to do that, and when I come back, I will show you what to do. I'm going to tack that down a couple times, and then I'm going to quarter it, and then I'll show you the next step. So let me do that now. Okay, so that's not going anywhere. So we're going to quarter the elastic. Where are my pins? Oh, right in front of me. This one side. Then we will say pin on the other side. Then we will put that together and put a pin here. And then we will put our last pin on the other side. And so the same pins that we put on the tulle top, we're going to match up those same 4 pins with these ones here. I'm going to take this to my machine, and I'm going to use a zigzag stitch. You're going to stretch the elastic as you go, not the top, the elastic. going to bring it over. And if you had a serger, you would have finished the raw edges, but I don't have a serger at the moment. I'm going to hem using a 1-inch hem. I'm going to hem that. And then when I'm done with that, I will show you the final product because too much things is going on outside. And I don't know, like everybody decides they want to make noise today. So I'm going to do that, and then when I'm done, I'll show you the final product. Back stitch at the beginning and at the end. I'm just going to stitch using a straight stitch. Hopefully my stitches doesn't pop. And I'm just going to stitch on that seam line right there. And I'm going to do that all around. Make sure stretch as you go. I don't know what's going on with my machine, but my machine is just doing the mostest. Get it together. My machine is just like it's skipping stitches. Like, this is frustrating me, y'all. Trying to be cool about it. That is what we have. So let me show you how it looks on. Okay, so this is the tube top and the pencil skirt that I just sewed for you. Tube top is just 2 rectangles, and you just stitch down the sides, hem the bottom, and hem the top using elastic. Okay, so tell me what you think. This is the front, that's the side, and this is the back. And I just pinned it with my Kenneth Cole wedges. That is it. This is something that is perfect for the summer months because it's hot. And who wants to be wearing a lot of clothes during the summer? Not me. So if you like what you see, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Come and join the Creative Nest family. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye.